Hi, I'm Bryan with Bush Electronics. As promised a few weeks ago, I showed you the Whelen 600 series Rota-Beam, and I promised you that I would show you the beacon model. So here it is. It's the Whelen 316 Rota-Beam model. It's available in red, as I have it shown here, blue, amber, and in clear or white, depending upon how you want to coat it. It's got a smooth outside, so we call it a self-cleaning polycarbonate lens on the outside of it. It's a very, very thick, hard-coated lens on there, so it's not going to scratch very easily, and it won't fade in the sunlight like some of the lights that you may have on there have been. Again, the polycarbonate lens is available in the color of the light, or you can get it in clear. It is in fact actually colored LEDs underneath this lens here. So if I remove the red lens out of it, it wouldn't just be white light, it would be the colored LEDs that you see shown here. It's a Class 1 in California certified light. So if you have any questions regarding the certifications on there, give us a call. We'd be happy to discuss them with you. You're going to find that this particular light here has 31 different flash patterns associated with it. They are syncable to other light heads, and when you sync them, the flash patterns basically become limitless on there. You're going to notice that when we go over to camera 2 here in a second, the flash patterns will reverse themselves on it. So if you want to set them opposing on the driver's side and the officer's side of a vehicle, they'll be able to oppose each other or work in conjunction with each other as well. When we talked about some of the rotating lights that were available on the market years ago, that were the halogen, the HID lights with the motor on, they were drawing anywhere between 10 to 15 amps of power, sometimes even more. This particular light here, not only is it Class 1 certified, but it's a very, very bright light, and it only draws about 2.5 amps, if that. I have it shown right now in low power mode, so it doesn't wash the camera out, and it's on one of the relatively slow flash patterns for it. But again, 31 different flash patterns. It does have low power mode as well as cruise light mode as well, and I'm not going to show you that because it's going to be very, very hard for you to tell on the camera right now. It's just too bright in this room for me to show it to you. Outside of that, it does come with the Whelen 5-year heavy-duty professional warranty on there. It's an aluminum poly-coated base, and then it's a polycarbonate hard-coated lens. Again, different colors available for it. And then this particular one here is a flat mount base. I do offer it in pipe mount and then magnetic mount. And the magnetic mount options with this do come with, now I'm back to high power there, you'll notice. But the magnetic mounts do come with a cigarette plug with a lead cord on it. So again, several options available for it. But when we go over to camera 2 here, and we'll take a look at what some of the different light patterns are. So we're over at camera 2, and I wanted to give you a chance to see some of the patterns from the top. Will give you a better idea as to what some of the flash patterns will look like versus what you're seeing from just the front from when we were at camera 1. So I'm going to power this unit up real quick. And as you'll see, we've got it set on a very slow rotating pattern. We can speed it up here if we change the pattern select button. Now I can go the other way. That's perfect if you're trying to sync 2 lights in the back of a vehicle. You can have them opposing each other. A little faster. Same thing, same pattern backwards. Now we're going forward a little faster. Same one backwards, or reversed rather. A very fast pattern. Same one reversed. So this pattern here is the light shutting off. I'm not doing anything to the power. That's programmed as part of the flash pattern on it. Same with that one. Again, I'm not changing the flash pattern or disapplying power to it. That's programmed as part of the light. Same thing again, that's a reverse pattern. This will be a random one. It'll go from a very slow to a very fast pattern, then back down again. Again, same thing, reversed. This does front and back. These models are available with a clear lens in the specific color. I'm going to pull this lens off here in a second. You're going to see that it is in fact red LED lights underneath it, but they do offer these models with clear lenses on them, split colors. So I can do white facing forward, red in the back, or a red blue light in particular. That gives us a very slow pattern. That's perfect for a DOT truck or a construction vehicle on the side of the road. Again, I do have these in amber. And then we're back to our fast flash patterns. I told you I was going to take the case off of it, and I wanted to actually show you what was inside here. On these particular models, there's 2 screws on either side, 2 stainless screws. I'll pull those out. There's a gasket, a rubber gasket that sits in there, and it's intentionally tight. Should you get one of these on your own, you're going to be very tempted to just pop a screwdriver in there. But we highly recommend you don't. This is a piece of powder-coated aluminum, and should you chip the coating on it, you will void the warranty on the light head. So now I've opened it up. There's that gasket I was telling you about. I'll remove that right now so that we have it for later. But as you can see, it's 3 super LEDs with optics, and they're concentrically placed around the outside edge of it. I believe there's 20 modules altogether here. I don't remember exactly, but they've already got all the integral flash patterns into it. And if I power it up real quick here, you're going to notice that it is in fact red LEDs, and they are programmed to go around the outside edge of the light. And then again, if I unhook the power here, you'll notice this particular one right here is a flat mount base, but they are available with pole mount options and some other mounting options as well that you can check out on our website. And then there is a low power function as well as some of the other synchronized options that you can use right there. And again, more information available on that on our website. So let's go back to camera 1. The case just pops right back on. The 2 screws go in the side of it. Again, we said the polycarbonate housing on the outside is available in the color of the light. It's also available in clear so that you can do split or just standard clear lens with the colored LEDs under, depending upon how you want to try to match up the current lighting you have on it. But I think you'd have to agree, it's another fantastic lighting product by Whelen Engineering, complete with the heavy-duty professional 5-year warranty on it. And if you have any questions about this product or any of our other lighting products, feel free to check out our website or give us a call at 315-422-0301. Thanks for watching.